Okay, so now let's move further. We're gonna build this FAQ section now. So for making this section, we're gonna use again the two section layout like this. And here we're gonna rename this FAQ. And after that, we can make this 1300 max width. Here you can see we can add 80 pixel to the top, 80 pixel to the bottom. Okay, then here we can make this to the complete black. We can remove all of this padding. So remove all of this padding from here also. Now you can see we have to add this here, and we can also copy this, and we're gonna paste this here, and here we can write frequently asked questions. Okay, and at the top we can write FAQ. Then we can write this, and here we can remove all of these paddings. So here you can see that we have this and here also we need to add the learn more button. So let me copy this learn more button. Here we can just copy and paste any section from anywhere. This is the power of the Elementor. And here we can write learn more, baby. Okay, spelling is wrong, baby, so we're gonna put this more, baby. So let's make this in the caps. Okay, learn more. So after that you can see we have this accordion. So let me search for the accordion widget, and here we can just drag and drop this. We can put some gap here also, 60. Okay, now let's first we gonna make this complete white, stretch, and this would be in the end. So this would be in the end like this. Okay, so if I go to the header, you can see we have the hover property also. For the hover property, we can make this black. For the active property also, we can make this black, because for the accordion, the hover color. Okay, so the normal color would be. Okay, so the normal color would be this gray one. Okay, let's put some padding here. Okay, then after that we can go to the hover color. Here we can put that theme. Here we can also put that. Okay, now let's go to the header, and here we can have the fonts a little bit bigger. 20 is good. Now we have to just put this question. So what are your opening hours? Okay, so we can just put one random question here, and you can put all the genuine question here. And for that, after that, we can add a text editor here, copy and paste. And here you can see we have the item 1. Here we can just put some padding to this, 20 pixel, 30 pixel. Also we can remove this borders. So we can just go to the border type and none, and also for the item 1, which is the inside one, so the border will be none. Okay, and for the accordion we can go to the header, and we can little bit make this smaller. Okay, smaller, and the inner one would be like this. Okay, like this. Then you can see here the accordion. Here we have the distance space between, so we can put a space between 15 pixel. Okay, so in this way we can just add more question and answer. So let's me duplicate this here. You can make this multiple. Okay, so in this way you can just put all the question and answer. So this is working now. So we have done our accordion FAQ section also. Now let's refresh this. Okay, so this is a very beginner friendly tutorial. I hope you understand how you can make this type of tutorial and websites. So you can see our accordion is fully working, and this is fully working now. Now let's, okay, so one thing is left that we don't put this background image. which is the drops. So for that we can just choose the drop here. Okay, then we can make this you can see that we have these drops, so we can just make everything in the center. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, so after that we can make this in the center and center. So let's see. This sometime it loads a little bit late. So we can make this center and center and display size will be covered. And for the background overlay, we can use the black properties. Like okay, let's publish. Now after that, let's refresh our front end.